What moment did you realize you were dating an idiot? 1. We were driving around this weird part of Las Vegas and I said, "This is surreal." He said, "I know, it's so real." I repeated, "Surreal," and he repeated, "So real." 2. He called lingerie, linguine. As in the pasta. 3. I had been dating this girl for a few months and it was Christmas time. We weren't super serious, but it was serious enough that I was buying her Christmas presents. I found something for her that was perfect and it had a connection to some funny event involving her and my cat. So I made the present from the cat. I thought I was being cute and she would make the connection. Instead, she got pissed that my cat got her a present and I didn't. I thought she was joking. To make matters worse, we were at her parents' place and they backed her up. It was extremely awkward and I realized it wasn't going to work out.